Hi guys, I am at the stream here. This is like around me. This is the flower, and this is the white flower and red flower. This is a good smell. You see, it's very good smell here. Oh, very nice. It smells good. It's around me. And this one is like a stream here. Stream and the fish under the water here. Let's see over there, and over here there's so many fish under the water, and and something like this. The flower and banana tree over there. That's it, like a forest. Yeah, that's a good smell. I just walk around here. This is make me happy here. You see, it's very good view. But over there is the road over there. The car is running so fast. Yeah. Oh, the bird is singing. My goodness, that's it. The bird is singing here. Like a stream. The weather is very cool here. Yes, very good view. And so many trees here. Like something like this. Green everywhere. That's opposite. That's where that's it. The mountain over there. I'm gonna show you here. This is on this one. Yes, this is like a stream. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, I'm standing in the front of the elephant statue here. Yes, and that is so many elephant statue here. That's a beautiful things. And behind the elephant statue over there, this is the mountain over there. Yes, just allow me this elephant statue. Like this is a fake a branch of a flower here. This is not a real one. I'm gonna show you around the elephant statue. Like this is uh, the the bigger elephant statue. It's like a mother, and over there is the big one, the biggest one over there. That's like a father elephant. It's like a children elephant here. It is a small one. I think this is the smallest, and this is the bigger one. That's it. 6 elephants here. It's the black elephant. I'm gonna show you. This one is a point over there. Like this is the waterfall. Waterfall here. This is like a waterfall point. Something like this. A beautiful one. And over there, like it's a mountain. It's so many mountains over there. This is the weather very good here. I'm gonna walk around here and see over there the tree and the jungle and the forest over there. Very good view. It's like behind the elephant statue. Oh my goodness. This one is the road. The car is running so fast. It's a beautiful, beautiful one. It's around me. The elephant statue, like a 6 elephant statues here. Thank you very much for watching.